Most people think real estate wealth comes from doing more deals. It comes from building leverage around the deals.
If your income stops when you stop closing, you don't own a business. You own a high-stress job with better tax write-offs.
Wholesalers, flippers, landlords, investors, we all chase deals. But deals are active income. They demand your time, your attention, and your energy.
At some point, there will be market shift, burnout, family, health. You will slow down.
The question is simple. Does your income survive that moment or not? The deal is not the business. It is the entry point to the business. Smart investors use deals to create long-term positions, ownership, cash flow, tax advantages, appreciation.
That's how one deal pays you more than once.
If you're only extracting a spread and moving on, you're leaving leverage on the table.
Every transaction creates an ecosystem. Capital moves, services get paid, fees stack up.
Most investors touch that ecosystem once.
The smarter ones position themselves inside it. When done legally and transparently, this creates income that doesn't require more rehabs, more tenants, or more chaos.
If you've done deals, you've already solved problems most people never figure out. Negotiation, funding, risk, timing.
That experience doesn't belong only in your calendar. It can be systemized, packaged, and scaled.
Remember this, systems beat hustle, frameworks beat memory, and assets beat effort. Every time. Markets change, rates change, deal flow tightens. That's just the reality. The investors who survive aren't the busiest. They're the ones with multiple ways to get paid. When your income grows from structure, partnerships, and leverage, not just closings, you stop fearing the next cycle. Real estate is still one of the greatest wealth vehicles ever created. But the real money isn't in chasing the next deal. It is in building leverage that pays you when you step back. That's not hustle. That's control.